I'm Kenzie at Brimstone Ceramics. I am a sculptor and installation artist working mainly in porcelain, but do all kinds of ceramics as well. And also mixed media, something to create more of an immersive space for the viewers. For this project, Harvest of Woman, I've been doing an introduction piece that people have to walk through in order to get to their seats in the audience. I think for me, the idea behind it all was to try to create an emotion within the viewer when they first are entering the space and prepare them for the psychological aspect of the play itself afterwards. So I have water elements, some chimes going, so you hear the bubbling and tinkling of water, chimes above. People have to duck through and around the pieces themselves in order to get to the actual performance space. Yeah, so it's organic, but also there are some classical pottery aspects, vessels cracked, broken, but also whole and full of life.